This here is a video of my Factory 5 35 hot rod pickup. It's chassis number 4. It was actually the Factory 5 gave me the first customer chassis for the 35 pickup. It's a generation 1, so it has the smaller cockpit, does not have the new 4-inch wider cab. Was built by Tom Wallace, painted by Chris Dobbs. Was beautiful paint job on the car. The paint has to be seen to be believed. It's got 17s on the front, 20s on the back. It's got an all aluminum bed in the back, wood look aluminum bed. This is just a small sample of the trophies this truck has won. It has won multiple best of shows, multiple best paints, multiple best hot rod. It is titled as a 1935 in the state of Florida. It has electrically operated remote opening doors. Has power steering, electric power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel, AOD overdrive automatic transmission, AC heat defrost. It has a 4-speaker stereo CD player, has electrically operated emergency brakes, has power windows, it's Phytech EFI fuel injection. As you can see, starts right up. Has LED high intensity headlights. Apologize for the shaky video. Has a Blueprint 347 Ford roller cam motor, Phytech fuel injection, equal length PBK ceramic coated headers, Willwood master cylinder is Willwood front disc, 6-puck front disc brakes. Has the 2009 Mustang GT rear disc brakes, as well as the 2019 Mustang rear end. All LED lights. It is one beautiful truck. I'm still surprised I'm going to sell it, but it can be yours for a very reasonable price of $48,000 firm.